Have you ever wondered how some gardens seem to thrive effortlessly while others struggle with pests, poor soil, and low yields? The secret lies in companion planting and yields, a time-tested gardening technique that harnesses the power of plant relationships to create a thriving, sustainable ecosystem. Today, we'll explore why companion planting is so beneficial, and I'll share 7 amazing plant pairs and yields that can transform your garden. Plus, stick around until the end because I've got something special for you to take your gardening to the next level. So, what exactly is companion planting? When I think of companion, I think of having a buddy. It's the practice of growing certain plants together because they benefit each other in some sort of way. These benefits can include pest control, improved soil health, better pollination, and even enhanced flavor. By pairing the right plants, you can create a garden that's not only more productive, but also more resilient to pests and diseases. It's like having a team of plants working together to support each other. Now, let's talk about guilds. When I think of guilds, I think of a group of friends. A guild is like a companion planting technique, but it's a group of plants, often centered around a fruit tree or a main crop, that works together to create a mini ecosystem. Each plant in the guild has a specific role, like fixing nitrogen in the soil, deterring pests, or attracting pollinators. Guilds are like a well-oiled machine, where every part plays a crucial role in keeping the system healthy and productive. Now, let's review 7 amazing examples of companion pairs and guilds that you can try in your own garden. First up, tomatoes and basil. Tomatoes and basil are a classic pair. Basil has been said to repel pests like aphids and whiteflies, while also enhancing the flavor of tomatoes. However, aphids are attracted to my basil, and I can't understand why. Therefore, I always add a third pair to prevent this issue. I add marigold to the pair. Marigold emits a beautiful fragrance to humans, but an off-putting smell to insects that repels them. Here's how I do it. I always center my tomato plant, and then I alternate the basil and the marigold around it. Corn, beans, and squash. This Native American planting technique is a perfect example of a guild. Corn provides a natural trellis for the beans, which fix nitrogen in the soil. Squash spreads along the ground, shading the soil to prevent weeds. Together, they create a self-sustaining ecosystem, and it just works out perfectly. Now we have carrots and onions. They're great companions because onions repel carrot flies, while carrots help loosen the soil for onions. They don't compete for space or nutrients, making them the ideal pair. Apple and chives. Planting chives near apple trees help deter pests like aphids and Japanese beetles. Chives also add nutrients to the soil, supporting the tree's growth. It's a simple but effective guild for fruit trees. Cucumbers and radishes. Radishes grow quickly and help break up the soil, making it easier for cucumber roots to spread. They also deter cucumber beetles, a common pest for cucumber, and it's a great way to protect your cucumber plants naturally. Strawberries and borage. Borage is a fantastic companion for strawberries. It attracts pollinators like bees, which improves strawberry yields, and its leaves add trace minerals to soil. Blueberries and azaleas. Blueberry and azaleas both thrive in acidic soil, making them perfect companions. Azaleas help maintain the soil pH that blueberries love while adding beauty to your garden. It's a guild that's both functional and beautiful. These are just a few examples of how companion planting and guilds can help transform your garden. But if you're ready to take your gardening to the next level, I've got something special for you. Introducing my Companion Planting Guide ebook. This comprehensive guide covers companions for 26 fruits and 36 vegetables, giving you all the tools you need to create a thriving, sustainable garden. And when you purchase the ebook, you'll also receive a freebie companion planting calendar to help you plan your garden year-round. This helps by informing you of when and what to plant in your hardiness zone. Whether you're a beginner or seasoned gardener, this guide will help you maximize your garden's potential. So why wait? Click the link in the description to get your copy of the Companion Planting Guide and start growing a healthier, more productive garden today. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that icon for more gardening tips. And until next time.
To stay in the loop of random tips and facts, be sure to subscribe. Stop, click, learn, and live.